description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got something new. This is from Ramen Bay. They're the folks who make some really colossal and wonderful instant noodle toppings. They've got their own noodles now, and this is their original stir-fry protein ramen, 28 grams of protein. And from what it looks like to me, it looks kind of Indomie-like. I'll show you what I mean. It's the 22nd of April 2026. It is Earth Day. See what I mean? Look, you got your dark one, sweet soy, chili oil, or chili sauce, and some seasoned oil, and then the powder. So here's the noodle block. Different, and it takes a while. It says 6 to 7 minutes. I am going with 6.5 just to split the difference. Now, is this noodle like hard as a rock, or? Oh yeah. Not one that you can just like crunch out of the pack. It's not a snacky noodle. Not snacky. Oh yeah. It's a day. It's a good day. I'm not going to tell you why, but we are approved. For what? I don't know. But you'll find out. It'll be a little while till you find out. But I just want to make it a surprise for you guys, and just all of a sudden you'd be like, whoa, whoa. I don't know. I'll try to keep it under my hat. Make it a fun. So yeah, we got approved. This is like thrilling, folks. We're really stoked. I don't know. I'm still kind of like, they might say you're approved, but we're approved. So, yeah, it's Wednesday, crazy week. My son's at camp. What do you know? He's not spending the night there, which is fine. But he's at camp currently. That's exciting. It's rainy today. This is Earth Day. It's also April Showers Day. So it's also You Are Approved Day. Or you've been approved. But we're approved. Ermengarde. Approval. It's nice to be approved. Anyways, I'll shut up about that since I'm not going to like let on what we're approved for. But anyways. Yeah, so what? Walked around, got me some energy drinks. My allergies are so bad right now. I woke up this morning, I had my wife zap me to see if I had a fever. I felt literally like it was gonna crawl out of my skin. Eyes going, nose all jacked up. It's been, I guess the scale goes up to 10 or 11 or 12 on pollen. And consistently for the last few days, it's been at 10.7. I don't know, some years I'm like allergy king, and some years I'm not. It just doesn't bother me. It's really strange how that works, but this is one of those years where it's absolutely killing my enjoyment of life. liberty and the pursuit of happiness. So, okay, we're about just over halfway through. So I did a variety the other day. It was an Emmy variety, and I loathed it. And one of the main ingredients in the Emmy variety was pea protein. And this one has other stuff going on. But the problem with the Emmy variety, that one had pretty bad broth. This one also has vital wheat gluten. It's not gluten-free. But we'll see how it goes. I think it may go well. I'm hopeful. I mean, if it's anything as good as their mixtures and toppings, mixture toppings, and etc., then it should be really good. My son tried it last night, and he ate the whole thing. Like, there wasn't even grease on the bottom of the bowl. So, it's so weird. He eats Indomie for dinner. That's like earth-changing. From the kid who refuses to eat anything but Cheez-Its for the longest time. But I guess he's just kind of getting in the way of being more exploratory with his palate. He probably also likes the fact that we're just like so stoked on it, which is great, you know. But yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so freaking tired. Oh my god. And you're like, wow, you're approved, great. What are you approved for? Why are you so excited? It's like, it's funny. I've kind of learned not to get my hopes up too much, even it's like, you've won $100 and here's $100. Okay. Now I've got $100. That's great. Are you going to want it back? Are you going to change your mind? That's not what the approval was for, though. God, why won't it? Here. I might give it an extra 30 seconds because I keep screwing up with the boil amount. Or the boily boil. I just don't want it to overtop. I think that sounds sensible to me. So once that says 0, then we will drain immediately. An immediate drainage of the noodle. And then we'll mix all the gunk in and we'll give it a go. In 13 seconds. And right about now. Okay. So it's had 7 minutes. Wow. That noodle block didn't seem like it was all that big. But, boy. That's a reasonably large amount of noodle. Okay, let's do the do. So Ramen Bay's I think he's down in San Francisco. Go Giants. God, we almost broke Ohtani's hitting streak. Tonight we'll do that. Dodgers suck. If you like the Dodgers, there's something wrong with you. Because they're not very nice people. They're like the Cobra Kai of baseball. It's true. But anyways, yeah. What was I going to say? They're in San Francisco, but this is a product of China. Nothing wrong with that. You're not going to find a lot of companies that'll do private label in the United States. That's for damn sure. If you want to make a ton of money, get yourself a ton of money and start up, I don't know, get a large building, set up maybe like 4 or 5 instant noodle lines, and then put out your shingle that says private label. And not only that, specialize. So like if somebody has a recipe, you know, tell them how much it's going to cost. It's going to cost more because you're in the United States with regulation and stuff. But I tell you, that and retort pouches. That's what I've told so many companies. Start up a retort pouch plant in the US and then private label out retort pouches. Those are the metallic pouches. A lot of Taiwanese varieties come with like beef and chicken and vegetables and stuff. If you can do those pouches and do private label instant noodles, you could have companies just like flocking to you, and you can make a lot of money. All right, let's try it. I like that. Now, I mentioned that I did not like the Emmy product because of the texture of the noodle. They got the balance right on this one. This one, it isn't like I'm chewing it and I hear it squeaking on my teeth because it's so rubbery. This definitely has a chewiness to it, that's for sure. But it's not like rude chewing it. It's not like, it's not rubbery. I don't think anybody would say those are rubber noodles. Not like the Emmy came off as. Although they did improve that to a degree from their original product. They were much more rubbery. Alright. The flavor is definitely Indonesian, Indomie style. It seems like it leans more buttery. Very savory. Enjoyable. Flavorful. In the end, I will just say I enjoy it. I'm going to have to do a lot of editing on this. This mint. So there's some mint. I should mention also, this stuff I think is vegan friendly, but not after I do this to it, obviously. But if you want it to be vegan friendly, go right ahead. They sent me beef and scallion, or beef and shallot ramen topping. I'm going to forego that on this because I'm going to do that as its own review. I'll just find some product that seems logical to use it with. So yeah. There's that. Crushed red pepper. That's yeah, honestly, I would be very happy to just sit down and scarf this down right now. It's really good. So, good on you, mate. Right on. I was like, God, I hope I like this stuff. Really nice guy, really cool products that this guy does. So, that makes me thrilled. He's approved too. Yeah. So there you go. Rotato, do your stuff. Well, cool. Thanks for watching, and thanks to dude over at theramenbae.com. That's TheRamenbae.com. You can can go over there and check out all the toppings. Check out the noodles. 28 grams of protein, under 1,000 milligrams of sodium. Yeah, it's good. It's good. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I hope you get approved. Have a good one. Bye-bye.